Will the right wing rule in the European Parliament? The European Conservatives and Reformists, a party that includes law and justice, answer yes, as long as the European Conservatives unite. At the moment, they are divided into three rival groupings. For the participants of the meeting, the main point of reference was the victory of Donald Trump and the political changes he is bringing to the United States. I asked the chairman of the European Conservatives and Reformists, Mateusz Morawiecki, whether this conservative American wave has already reached Europe. You can feel it here in Brussels, such an earthquake. So far not serious enough for everyone to get out of their comfort zone, but I think it will happen soon, not only in the area of green policies, to which President Trump has thrown down the gauntlet, but also in the area of illegal migration, the so-called Migration Pact. The list of problems in Europe today is well known. It's migration, climate policy, national security issues, and finally, perhaps the most important of them all, demographic collapse. Conservatives believe that we can deal with all of them if only we take power away from those who are responsible for these problems. The head of Romania's right-wing party, AUR, sees an opportunity for rapid change.
It's time to join forces, and if we join forces right now, we would be the first group in the European Parliament, the most powerful. So our message from the Make Europe Great Again conference is to unite. The unity makes the strength, the force.
The meeting in Brussels was not a sit-down of fat cats. There was enthusiasm, hope for change, and above all, many young people who want quick and decisive change. When? Preferably now. From Brussels, Aleksander Wierzejewski, Republika.
Z Brukseli Aleksander Wierzejewski, Republika.